Hi, I'm the Bearded Parrot and welcome to number 1 of 3 videos full of tips and tricks to get you ready for Movember. Now November is fast approaching, so a lot of men will be growing a stash out for Movember or growing a whole beard for no shave November. Usually for charity, which is a great thing, but definitely to see if it suits them. And I'm here to give you some tips to make the journey as easy as possible and to live your best beard. When you first start growing, everyone talks about the itch. The itch is a horrible thing, and it's caused by your body produces a thing called sebum, which is an oil on your skin. Now that oil is drawn out by any beard or moustache away from the skin, and that then dries out the skin, so therefore the skin starts itching, and that's where beard oil comes in. Don't get hung up on the name. It's primarily for the skin, but it does have nutritional effects for your beard. The one I'm using is Jacks of London, and it's the vanilla and tobacco scent. It's a lovely scent, and also it's 100% natural. Really recommend it. I'll put the website down below, and also if you put the words Para 10 you'll get 10% off. That's just a present from me to you. Trust me on this one. Beard oil is the #1 priority for any beardsman. So how do we apply it? Well, it's pretty simple really. I like the bottles with a dropper. What I do is I squeeze the dropper, let it go, and it'll fill up around about halfway. Put it in my hand. You'll have to do different amounts for the size of your beard. Rub it in my hands, especially the fingertips, and then work it into the skin, not forgetting the tash. Then just through the rest of the beard. Any excess can go on your tattoos or on your elbows. Then I'm going to comb it through. I'll leave a link in the description below of where to get this wooden comb as well. Quick comb with the tash. And we're all oiled. Give us a comment below if you or your friends are considering growing out for Movember. Hit a like if you like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when number 2 and number 3 come out. And I'll see you in the next one. And remember, trust me, I'm a paramedic.